Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, we're going to cover the delete special command. On the screen, you see the intake port tutorial case. You can get access to this case in the Pointwise installation directory so that you could follow along if you'd like. And what I'd like to do is delete the domains and connectors associated with this valve colored in yellow. Now, there are a couple of ways I can go ahead and do this. One, I can select the connectors and start picking those connectors and hit the delete key. And deleting those connectors will also delete their domains because the domain can't exist without a connector. However, you'll notice I didn't get all of them, so I need to keep selecting and keep deleting until everything is gone that I wanted to get rid of. So let's go ahead and undo that. What I could do is use a box selection and just box select those connectors, but you'll notice that some other connectors are being selected as part of that operation just given the orientation of the display. So if I hit delete, I'm going to end up deleting more than I wanted to. So what we can do is we can use the delete special command. What I'm going to go ahead and do is select the domains mask, and I'm going to use that same box selection technique and just select the domains of the valve. Now, if I go to the edit delete special command, which can also be invoked using control delete, it will delete not only those domains, but also their parent entities, the connectors. And that's effectively what delete special does, is it deletes not only the entities you selected, but also the parent entities. So another example would be the block. Let's go ahead and select this block. If I use control delete, it'll not only delete the block, but it'll delete the domains that make up that block as well as the connectors that make up those domains. And so that's how delete special works. It deletes the entity as well as the parent entities. And that can be really helpful when you're trying to clean up a mesh or delete specific entities or box select. And sometimes it's easier to box select domains than it is to box select connectors given the complexity of the mesh that you're working on. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.